calculate the area of the trapezium. So again, I'm going to draw the trapezium upside down next to the one that's already there. Now I've got one that's already on my computer, you could just draw it. So if I put them together, okay, so you can see that we've got, again, it's a parallelogram. Now we need to add on some information here. So in the first trapezium, this was 9, the top was 9. So that means that this bit here is going to be 9. So now I can figure it out because I've got my base and my height, which is how I find the area of a parallelogram. So remember, the area of a parallelogram is base times perpendicular height. So the base here is all of this together, 15 add 9, which is 24, times my height, my perpendicular height, and here's the right angle here, so my height is 4. So that's 24 times 4. I can do a little grid to figure that out. 24 times 4. 20 times 4 is 80. 4 times 4 is 16, so altogether that's 96. So that's the area of the parallelogram, 96. So the area of all of this is 96. But again, there's 2 trapeziums here. So all of this is 96. I need to split it. Well, all of this is 96. I need to split it into 2, so divide by 2 to find the area of one trapezium. So 96 divided by 2, and again I can do a little bus stop for that. 2's into 9 is 4, remainder 1. 2's into 16 is 8. So it's 48 centimetres squared. So you turn the trapezium upside down and you need to add these together, which are the 2 parallel lines. So you add them together, you times by the height, and then you have to divide by 2. So the easiest way to answer these questions is to draw that second trapezium out each time.